Call me.
Okay, now here. Now here.
Hey, mama.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I dey fine, sir. I beg you, no vex. Now you be MC Soap, not the rain.
Yes.
Thank God, I did the rightful place.
What you carry you come office?
Because, no, sir, our people say, if
Speak louder because the viewer is listening to you.
Our people say if raise don't high well, woman go leave e breast so. Now say make I run come before water go pass garri o. War don't come.
Yes.
If you be say you sit down, may you stand. Stand for me, my brother. Your comedy they change life. So now say make I run come meet you before water go pass garri for my house. Now make me come meet you so I beg. Make you advise me, my brother. May you tell me what I go feed they do, my brother. Because this one
God.
Okay. Before I can tell you anything, so can you just tell the viewers, because I'm not the only one that will judge the case. So the people they are looking at us, so I believe the viewer they are listening. So what is your problem? Just hit the point.
my brother, the problem will carry me.
He shot you.
Because now one sister na tell me, say make I come meet you. Say this my problem na small case for where you dey. Problem will carry me come. Now about I dey marry. I don't fair marry one husband before. He don't go.
He shot you.
I don't say marry second one now. He don't still go. My brother, I don't go. I don't want to again.
Yeah, don't be waiting to cry.
I don't tire.
Wait.
I don't tire.
Listen to me. This is not the time of
He shot you.
Okay, now let me ask you a question. You say you married before.
Yes.
The man don't come on.
He don't go.
You married second one.
He don't
He
still
don't come on.
go.
Okay, now calm down. Just hide your voice more so that the viewer will listen. Because
Okay.
now I want to ask you a question. The first man when you deal with, what did happen? How it take go?
The first man when I deal with, wetin happen na money problem na separate us. Na money problem na separate two of us.
He shot you.
Wetin happen immediately if they pay us money like this, because na Germany na dey. If they just pay us money like this, he don carry the money, he don enter Austria, he don go. He go use am dey carry another women up and down. Now say I no go fit continue with this life.
He
Now
shot
tell
you.
her say I no want again.
Okay.
One naira no dey see for eye.
Okay. So the second one, what did happen? What happened for the second one?
The second one, I come tell her say okay, as I jam the second one, now I say okay, wetin go dey happen now? Any money wey they pay, we go dey share am into two. He go take him home, me go
He
take
shot
my
you.
own, so that every man with him kettle go dey carry. Now me with this one come dey do. Now I don see go.
Now
There
you
is
dey
God,
in relationship again now.
There is God.
They get the one when I dey plan to enter again. That is the third relationship. I dey plan to enter that one. Now I say make I run come take advice before wetin happen for far house go still happen for go trans again.
Thank God say you quick on here because here na home of wisdom. And your problem now very little problem. You know say when women get problem, they know. They will think say na them wise pass. Because men na man, no matter what it is. But what I will tell you, the first one,
He shot
they
you.
carry the money, if they go, they carry another woman.
Yes.
They smoke, they go, they drink.
Yes.
Okay. So now that one can't leave you. The second one can't come.
Yes.
So you can't use your past. They follow the current one. That is your problem. You know, say a lot of women when they this
He shot you.
then they always they do this thing, and this is where their problem is. They will use their past, the wicked, the correct one, not knowing all men are not the same. Maybe the second one come to stay. You are the one that pursue the second one. You know why? You know how? Because When you are the second one, they share the money. What you they use your own money they do?
What time they use my money they do? I they buy both straight hair. I still buy iPhone. I still buy shoe. I still buy clothes. I still buy a lot of clothing.
Buy both straight, iPhone 11. Everything when you don't use your money buy now. You don't hear where they say I sow seed for orphanage for inside. No. You don't hear where I help the poor. No. And I see one boy when you call Europe, he need help. Now I can't help him. No. Buy both straight, iPhone 11.
And make I look beautiful
buy this
now.
one. The beauty when you look now, the beauty now, master. You know better they ugly. Man stay with you than say you beauty. Man not they stay. You feel listening to me?
Okay.
I not be prophet, I not be pastor. When I see the problem, I dey hit them. I know they look face, they judge. Your problem, you are the problem of your problem. Do you know why? Because the first one was the problem, but the second one is not the problem. You are the problem of the second one. Now you need advice now for the third one to stay. Now let me advise you. The second one, you use the past to pursue the second one. Why? Because person say the first one can do like this, the second one don't come. That one ready to stay. You got to say, because in so man will fair do. No, I don't feel forfeiting again. I don't feel just leave this one again. You can't share money with him. This one are ready to stay. As you got to share money with him, even this one now, maybe if they use your own money, they do better thing. You can use your own. They buy both straight hair, iPhone 11 Pro Man. They buy whatever. This one, because it don't cost it come now, say you say no cost it ready for life. The way you think, say the first one no ready for life. So that is how the second one now cost it come enter. It cost it say you no ready for life. So he need person when he's still ready for life. Now I want you to ready for life. I want me you ready for life. Now. This third one now.
Okay.
If you can obey my instruction, this third one now go stay.
Okay.
First of all, if this third one come, you will view him.
Okay.
If you see, say, is they responsible, what's the pay now? He give you money for your children. Maybe you want to go do spaza or anything. He give you your own money to go do spaza and he give you your own keep. Say, okay, this one, hold this €100. Maybe you say they still they do anything way they do, what you like to do. Now the remaining one, hold on. And if you see this relationship one, they use am well.
He shock you.
Leave am.
He shock
Monitor
you.
am. No be say you just come for the first one now you go constantly say because say na so that one fair do again. Make this one no constantly go wrong. Make I cook man just dey share am again now. This is where the problem dey because a lot of women they always use the past, they follow the correct one. That is why some women when don't quit them, they marry. When don't quit, they come off for husband house. It hard before they will stay husband house. No why because they always they look the past. They will say now so my papa just fair do me. I know go just give the second one chance. Make it still do me the same thing. So he will come to use the past till they follow the second one. Not knowing the second one ready to stay. You understand? So now this third one now, don't let what happen for the first one, the second one to happen again. Because our parable they say a husband house, they respect day. No matter how beauty you are, if you know the husband house, forget this one they carry near they form snake queen na lie. Even though say you ugly, as far as you the husband house, now you if they go congregation, if once your husband you see your husband to present, now you get level pass all those one way now. If you like make they be like a queen, but no husband. See, even though say woman when get drunker for husband, better pass who no get husband at all. At least once they say me they present husband, you will see drunker present.
Okay.
But who no get at all, will not be the same. You get man when won't stand for him, but you no get.
No be lie.
It better you get drunker as a husband than you not have at all. But man is a respect to a woman. Anywhere you go.
He shock
No
you.
be lie. No be
So
lie.
now you are the problem of your problem. So you have to change character. Don't use the past. Pay the correct one.
Okay.
Always let the past be the past and start a new life. Even Bible talk am. All things are passing. Everything have become
He
new.
shock you.
So let the past be the past.
He
And
shock you.
face another relationship. Pray to God. Let God answer your prayer. Not judge by yourself. Don't answer your prayer by yourself because you didn't answer your prayer by yourself. And I want to do it like this. So that's my policy.
Thank you very much. Hey, I wish I meet this kind of person since my marriage was day okay.
Go and
Thank
subscribe
you.
to my YouTube channel.
Thank
Go and
you.
subscribe.
Thank
MC
you.
Soup, not the rain. Go and
Thank
subscribe. And go. Wow, wahala everywhere. Wahala. Don't marry. You know, stay. Don't marry. You know, say you want to enter the third one. I don't know why women they use the past. They face the correct one. And if woman just marry now, if the man fair punish her, he come out for husband house. If you enter the second one, you call the show a pepper. That's the problem. I bet come on that thing.